I can't sleep just because I have you in my heart. Of course, Valentine is around the corner, and I've been thinking about the best gift I can ever give to you as a loyal subscriber to this channel. And that is the reason why I will be revealing this secret to you. Nobody will ever tell you, except if they are genuine. Is it even genuine or genuine? Choose one. That's your assignment. And that is the essence of sharing this video with you. I will only be paraphrasing in this video. The real video will be a standalone. I'm going to be making two secret videos, or let me say I'm going to be revealing in two separate videos two secrets you need to watch out for if you want to be successful in this fish farm business. If you can recall, in my previous video I told you I lost some amount of money, and the percentage of the money I lost boils down to the feed. I told you, even in one of the video, I told you some of the farm expenses, catfish farm expenses. I told you that feed carries the larger percentage. Let me tell you something. You see, all these big names in fish feeds, they are now selling names. They've run away from their genuineness, their first love, the way they produce initially, that you feed their feeds to your fishes and you will see results. Nowadays, they are only banking on the past glories. So the way out of that is to have your own feed made by you. Of course, not everybody has the capacity to do it, but if you have the opportunity, you should have your own meal. It's not really expensive, so in the next video, you just watch out for it. And also, the second secret I want to reveal to you is about how you can reduce mortality rate in your hatchery. I'm going to be showing you what you need to do in that video, so make sure you watch that video. This is more or less like a trailer, and you should just be on the lookout, because that video is going to be packed, and you should know I will never hide anything from you, because freely I'm going to give it to you. At the same time, I have already made my own researches before coming to this conclusion. So no problem. You can make use of the comment section to tackle me if you think I'm lying to you. Of course, I will never. So ladies and gentlemen, if you have not subscribed to this channel, you need to subscribe so that you will not miss out in any of my videos, because on this channel you will derive value. So subscribe. You don't have to wait for anybody to tell you again. Subscribe now. I think I can sleep. At least I've told you something huge is coming.